Bellathon,
yeah.
Abhi,
Yeah.
2 weeks ago.
Yeah.
How much money did she make?
She made, I think, she cleared $1 million in a week.
Million in
Sorry,
a day.
in a day. And then she multiplied it into 2 million in a week.
Good life, easy.
So I'm jealous.
Chilling.
Firstly.
Bro, if I could make 15 crores, I'll क्या देखने का यार? What do you want to see? Apparently people are very pissed off with her, right?
Bro, people
because,
are pissed off.
The way she operated was
And there are quite a few reasons.
People thought that she scammed them. So she was charging
The
around
fans.
The fans.
True.
So she was apparently charging like I think $50 or something for the subscription
I think
package,
the highest.
right?
Yeah.
Highest.
Yeah.
And then she started. So basically, before she got onto the app, she told her fans that no nudes, no nudity.
She never said that.
Okay, bro, she said that.
No.
I'm telling you, check
not
it.
before.
See Twitter.
I'm telling you, that's all after.
No. This is how it played out. Listen.
Okay.
This is how it played out. I think is that on Twitter, she went out on Twitter and said no nudity. Okay, and then basically she started. So like followers can message the creator.
Yeah.
So there's a very close relationship.
Yeah. So the second way
So,
of making money on this app is
tips.
pay-per-view. And
Pay-per-view
tips,
and tips. So basically what she was saying is that, okay, I'll give you, I'll send you a nude.
Yeah.
Like a bareback fucking nude for $200. And that's as a tip. Okay, so in that, she made most of her money.
Yeah.
So they say, basically creators say that subscriptions will buy you the house.
But
tips will get you the Lambo.
Yeah, but she didn't send any nudes.
She didn't send any nudes. Yeah,
The pictures were just like bikini pictures,
but she took
lingerie
200.
pictures.
She took $200.
So what people, the reason why they got upset is both the sect of the people got upset. Firstly, the fans got upset because you're scamming. You're saying we are paying for nudes and you're not giving us nudes. After saying that you're going to send nudes, right?
Yeah, and you're charging an absurd amount.
So they asked for a refund. Okay, and OnlyFans.
Oh yeah, they asked for a refund.
They asked for a
well,
refund.
Bro, of course you better get a refund back.
And as per the OnlyFans policy, they got a refund.
Oh, okay.
So what happened is, everyone throughout the app started asking for refunds from other people also.
This shit back. This shit is not.
Because
what
before they never asked
promised.
for refunds. But after this, they realized that they can ask for refunds.
Okay.
From other content creators and influencers. They started asking for refunds. So people got pissed off that, because of this lady, now my money is going.
Gone. Yeah.
And the second...
But imagine how many people must have paid, bro. $200.
I pay 15 crores now.
Fuck.
In a week.
Fuck. And she's not even... Oh my God. So basically what happened is that after this whole incident happened, OnlyFans changed the way they operated.
Yeah.
So you can't tip more than $100.
And that's the second reason.
And listen to me, why the creators got pissed off? So basically you could withdraw how much ever money you earned in 7 days. OnlyFans has made it 30 days. So all the creators and all the sex workers and all these other people have gotten very pissed off.
Yes.
Because she broke the system, bro.
She broke the system. And what you said, putting the cap on the tips, right?
Correct.
So people are really pissed off. People are like, dude, firstly, she came and made $1 million. Out here, we are supporting our families. Exotic dancers, sex workers. They're like, we are out of work in 6 months.
Correct.
This is the only source of income. 90% of our money is coming from here. And now because of you, I'm not getting tips. Now, for example, like if you have like 3-4 services, you get this kind of a picture for $10. You get a more
exclusive
picture bikini for $10, lingerie for $20, nude for $200.
So there's a menu card.
There's a menu card.
Like you can select.
And they all got fucked because of this.
Exactly.
All the menu cards.
So everyone was damn pissed off with this girl, bro.
Yeah.
She's directed a Pornhub movie.
Yeah.
So she's a veteran in this game. I don't understand why she just wouldn't send the nude across.
So
like she told people.
So firstly, I don't know if she said that I'm not going to post nudes, because the reason why her fans got pissed off is her Instagram video when she said I'm launching my OnlyFans was very out there. She's like coming out of a pool in a bikini and trying to show you that you're going to get more of this.
Okay. But you have to come to my platform, my page, my page. You got to pay. So make me understand one thing. If I subscribe to the page, that's still trash content. But if I want more, then how do you DM them or like you message them?
No, she'll be like, "Hi babies, give me a tip. I'll send you this picture." So that one picture will go to everybody who sent a tip.
Oh, bro, that's a scam.
It's a fucking scam.
That's a scam. That's a big scam.
And also her regular pictures on OnlyFans, even the bikini pictures or the lingerie pictures or whatever, they were all pictures which were there on Instagram, but just a different pose.
Oh, so
People got more pissed off.
She should be banned, bro.
You know, people got more pissed off.
She should get banned.
And another thing happened that basically, so when people got pissed off because of this, she first came out and said sorry. I'm sorry, but what I wanted to do is make sex mainstream.
What? How? What?
Yeah. And everybody...
How are you making sex mainstream?
Everybody on the app was like, we don't need you.
Bro, wait. Isn't sex already mainstream?
That's what I'm saying.
Bro, it's the most mainstream thing on this planet.
That's
sex.
what I'm saying. And look at the app.
What do you go?
The app is only...
How are you going to make sex mainstream? Huh? Like what?
So she said, I want to make sex mainstream by... because I have such a fan following, I can bring more people. I can bring my audience to the app.
Correct.
And my audience can then make the app bigger and the
generate
other
more
people
revenue.
Generate more revenue. And then everybody's like, we don't need you. It was better before you. You fucked up the whole app.
Yeah, she broke the system.
You broke the system. You fucked up the app. Then the second thing she said is, I was doing research for an upcoming film. Okay. With the director Sean Baker.
Okay, for what?
For a film.
Okay. So she wanted
to... And the director said that, dude, I never told her to do any research like this. I only told her...
And her film was to do with what? Sex?
It was some
sex workers or something.
And this Sean Baker, the director, said that, dude, this was just a conversation firstly. And I spoke to her team and I told her team that this is a far off project if ever. But let her do the research. Let her meet some sex workers and get the idea. But she said that I had to come on this platform. I had to see, what is the addiction for? Why are people making so much money?
What bullshit?
Yeah.
How are you going to test?
Yeah.
Oh my God, that was her excuse? Yeah. What the fuck?
But don't you think if you're trying to say I'm wanting to make sex mainstream.
It's already mainstream.
I want to do research for the movie. Why don't you donate the money you earned and give it to some charity?
Why are you asking for money?
Yeah.
Why are you asking for money?
Yeah.
What are you trying to make a documentary on?
No, I'm saying you made 2 million. Donate it to the sexually exploited people, sex trafficking.
Absolutely.
All those
for
NGOs
a good cause.
who are doing all these good things. Donate your money. But she's keeping the money and giving excuses.
She got caught.
Yeah.
But she apologized and shit, right?
But now 15 crores, you will not say sorry.
Of course, I'll say sorry. Like, how many times you want me to say sorry?
Exactly.
So I think this is a stepping stone to porn.
In a way.
Like, what are you doing?
In a way.
You do what you gotta do. Like the oldest profession in the world is sex workers.
Yeah.
Okay, so they more power, bro. Gotta do what you gotta do. If you're making 2 million. Keep doing it.
Yeah, for
Keep doing it.
All the people got so pissed off at Bellathon for not posting nudes.
Correct.
Like, dude, she'll post whatever she wants. But people are demanding it. Like, you're OnlyFans and you're not giving us nudes?
Then get the hell out of here.
Shame on you. Get the hell out of here.
Get the hell out of here.
Arey, ye kya hai yaar?
But I think people got a little too pissed off because she made too much money. Because she came with that following,
She made too much money, bro.
She made too much money. So people had to hate, bro. People, whatever you say now, people paid.
Yeah. No. 2 million is a lot of money. Basically what happened is that then Bellathon got a meeting with the creators of OnlyFans, the high-level management, and then the sex workers and these women who've been there with the app since the last 2 years when nobody knew about it. They're like, dude, what about us? What about our issues? Firstly, this girl has come and fucked up the whole app for us.
Correct.
We want to discuss it. We are not getting any answers. And you're having a meeting with her and she's come for 2 days.
Damn, grassroots, bro. Grassroots. Yeah. They got to support the grassroots. Yeah.
And people are like, dude, I'm supporting my family with this money.
Correct.
What is she? She'll never understand the struggle.
You can't hate now, bro. They are just hating. Till an extent, I also feel that don't be that salty, Don't be that salty, That's some salty shit.
Let
Shut up,
Yeah.
Like, bro. If somebody comes in and makes 2 mil, bro, in a week, they did it. Like, they did it. I have a question for you. Do you think OnlyFans is normalizing sex working? In a way. It's a normal thing now, showing your body and like... of course, before it was... porn is not... Whatever you say, if porn is banned in India, it's not a... People look down on it.
No. My take on OnlyFans is very simple. Till the time your fans are happy with the content you're providing, that's fine. But if fans are saying that you promised me that if I give you $200, fucking that's a lot of money, 15,000 rupees, and you're going to send me a nude picture that you have promised, and then you're sending me a non-nude or whatever.
Yeah.
That's a scam, bro.
Scam.
So if the customers are happy, who am I to say this is wrong or right? But don't cheat, dude.
But-
your bloody fans are paying
Correct.
you. You're making
Correct.
You know, just say no, na.
Correct.
Who's gonna say that you have to give me? You don't have to do anything you don't want to do. But why lie to your fans? And the first thing, you know what she said, na, bro?
What?
First thing she said is mainstream. I want to make sex mainstream.
It is already
I want to
mainstream.
make sex work
Dumbass.
mainstream. And then the second, again, people are like, "Arey, we don't need you."
Huh.
She came and no, I'm doing research for a movie. Then the director said, "Ke jhoot bol rahi."
Oh, she got busted, boss.
She got
Busted.
But
she still must be making millions. You know,
Of course.
people are intrigued now. Oh, who is this Bellathon?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah.
People are paying.
People are paying.
Even I
bro.
should.